Ladies and gentlemen, Digital Terminals stand as a pioneer in the Indian IT ecosystem, not only as a news platform, but as a leading tech media house with a transformative vision. With its 360-degree approach, DT continues to shape the industry by providing authentic, unparalleled market insights and news and information that empower the ever-evolving tech community. It is now my honor to invite the visionary behind this platform, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, the publisher and editor of DT, to deliver the welcome address and formally welcome you all in person. So everybody, please put your hands together for Mr. Rajiv Ranjan. Come on, everyone.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. 17 साल, it's a big achievement, not for us, all of you, जो हमारे जर्नी में 17 साल से हमारे साथ हैं. Thank you so much, first of all. On behalf of the entire Digital Terminal team, it's my privilege to warmly welcome you to the 17th edition of DT Awards 2025. Tonight is not just about an event, it is certainly not just about awards, it's about a journey, a shared journey of an industry that has continuously evolved, adapted, and innovated in the face of constant change. The DT Awards were conceived with a simple yet powerful belief that progress deserves recognition and leadership deserves a platform. Over the years, the Indian technology ecosystem has undergone a remarkable transformation from infrastructure-led growth to cloud-first strategies, from mobility to AI-driven intelligence. The industry has consistently redefined how business operate, learn, collaborate, and grow. The DT Awards exist to capture this momentum and spotlight the individuals, brands, and partners who are driving meaningful impact on the ground. At DT, our role has been always very clear since our inception in year 2009, when me and my partner Jyoti laid down a foundation to serve as a true and effective tech media house in India. We don't just report the evolution of technology, we connect stakeholders, drive conversation, and support sustainable industry growth. Being leading tech media house, we always aim to contribute towards growth of ICT market in India. Every story we publish, every platform we create, and every conversation we host is rooted in one objective: to strengthen the Indian IT and channel community through credible insights, thoughtful engagement, and long-term relevance. I would like to show you some of the best movement we celebrated during various events with industry players, all of you, during our this year. I hope you all liked it. It's all the hard work of our team, the love from all of you. Thank you so much. This is just the beginning as we moved out from our birthplace, Delhi, to financial capital city, Mumbai. So this was an amazing experience, expanding our horizon outside Delhi. Thank you so much for the support for the Mumbai players who are here. A few of the players are here. Thank you so much, sir. With support from Tech Brands, Channel Partners Association, and friends like Sunil Bhai, Biren Bhai, and Meher Bhai, who has not been here, who helped us in bringing our first industry event, DT Channel Connect in Mumbai. Thank you so much. Now I assure you that every passing year, DT Channel Connect Mumbai edition will be bigger and bigger. That's a promise to you all of you. Also in year 2026, DT Channel Connect will move to other key markets in India, like Lucknow, Patna, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and many more. We'll keep on sharing. Please follow us everywhere. We'll keep on updating our next event. I'm sure the kind of love and support we get from all of you will help us in expanding our reach and serving the industry in much better ways in years to come. As we are now into 17th year of DT Award Night, I would like to take a moment to thank our partners, sponsors, and industry associations for their continued trust and support. Your belief in this platform has helped the DT Awards grow into one of the most respected recognitions in the Indian technology landscape. Most importantly, I would like to thank all of you present here today and those who are watching us through our YouTube channel. Your presence reinforces the spirit of collaboration that defines our industry, whether you are being recognized tonight, supporting a colleague, or simply engaging with peers. You are an integral part of this ecosystem. As the evening unfolds, I encourage you to celebrate freely, engage meaningfully, and reflect on the collective progress we are making as an industry. Once again, welcome to the 17th DT Awards 2025. Let us make this evening memorable. Thank you and have a wonderful night. Thank you.